Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Some days my workday means plugging a million things into my computer. Well, maybe not a million, but how about having 10 slots with this great USB-C hub from Lemorele? There's a few features on this that really make this such a great design. The hub is nice and thin and compact, but it has 10 different spots to be able to plug things in. One thing that I like is that the gap and space in between each port has plenty of space, so you don't have to worry about them getting jammed or feeling like you're not really going to be able to utilize all of the ports. Another thing that's really cool is that the cord going from the hub up to your computer is about 8 inches long. So it really gives you a lot of space to be able to work and plug something else into your computer. Or if you have your computer propped up like I've been doing, then you don't have to worry about the hub breaking off, getting jammed in your computer, or just adding on space to the side of your workstation. If you're looking for a hub that gives you so many different options and does not overrun your computer, check this one out. It's been working great for me, and you might find that you enjoy using it as well. And that's my point of view.